This motor driver heat dissipation and heatsink sizing interactive calculator helps you determine the thermal management requirements for your motor driver circuits. Let me walk you through the 8 input fields. First, enter your motor current in amps. Next, input your driver RD as on in ohms, which is the on resistance of your driver. Then specify your switching frequency in kilohertz. Add your supply voltage in volts. Set your ambient temperature in degrees Celsius. Define your max junction temp in degrees Celsius. Enter your junction to case arth in degrees Celsius per watt. Finally, input your case to sink arth in degrees Celsius per watt. For this example, I'm entering 10 for all fields to demonstrate an extreme scenario. After clicking Calculate Heatsink Requirements, here are our results. The conduction loss shows 1000 watts, while switching loss is only 0.05 watts. Total power dissipation comes to 1000.05 watts. The required arth for the heatsink shows negative 20 degrees Celsius per watt, which is physically impossible. The recommended heatsink size correctly indicates design not feasible. The temperature rise shows 0 degrees Celsius because this configuration cannot work. This calculator quickly identifies whether your thermal design is achievable. Find the link in the description below.